Hello, today I will show you how to make one very interesting device. This is the kitchen key. It often happens that you cannot open the cans with own hands. In such situations, such a key will help you. The manufacture of the key begins with the handle. I do not have thick plywood, so I glued 2 pieces of plywood and got the right thickness. Play use the term carpentry moment. This glue sticks together after 15 minutes, but I left the parts under the press for 30 minutes to be more reliable. Now we need to draw a drawing. The handle I made rounded, and the top has a thickening. To cut the handle through the drawing, you can use a jigsaw, but I decided to use the desktop option, so it is much more convenient to work, especially when manufacturing small parts. More details about this machine you can find out on my channel in one of the earlier videos. Now we need to round off all sharp corners with the help of emery. Pay attention, in the wider part I made small cuts. You also need to do the same. Now, you need to attach a strong leather strap. I had a very old belt. That's what I used for this purpose. You can use other material. The main thing is that the belt does not stretch. Please note that the strap should be longer than the perimeter of the can lid by 10 to 15 centimeters. And now you can see why the teeth on the handle are needed. You can see that with the help of the key you can not only open the banks, but also firmly close them. This is useful if you want to close the sweets from children. In addition to the covers, this key will easily remove the oil filter from your car when you decide to change the oil in the filter yourself. It would be possible to finish the story about this amazing key, but I decided to make the key complete. First, I will update the skin on the belt with a cleaning tool made of a drill. I made it in the past video. Then I painted the handle. It will protect it from contamination. Now I can give this key to my wife and show how it works. Bye.